Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word mire in depth. First, the definition. Mire means a soft, wet area of land that is difficult to walk through or a troublesome situation. Think of it simply as a muddy swamp where you can easily get stuck. It can also mean being trapped in a difficult problem or situation. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Mire traces back to Old Norse mire, meaning bog or swamp, recorded since the 14th century. Over time, it's been used by English speakers to describe muddy lands and tricky situations. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use mire in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The hikers got stuck in the mire after the heavy rains flooded the trail. Correct example 2. Her finances were in a mire after losing her job. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to mire my sandwich, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using mire correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Mire means a soft, wet area of land that is difficult to walk through or a troublesome situation. It comes from Old Norse mire, meaning bog or swamp, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with mire down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.